But lots of people on YouTube have been asking what it is that I actually do all day. What do I actually do all day? I actually like changing tyres because you're inside the unit, there's no wind. Hi, so lots of people on YouTube have been asking what it is that I actually do all day. What do I actually do all day? If you want to come with me, we're going to go and find out. So the first job on my agenda on a Monday when everyone else is off is clean the lovely sweeper. So the sweeper is pretty much MVP around here. Without it we just can't function. We need to clean the track like after every skid event. There's so much rubber created, and I thought I would show you guys what's involved in just keeping the sweeper going, making sure she's all nice and clean and working properly. This is our Schmidt Swingo 200 and she is a beaut. She needs cleaned out at least once a week. It's pretty much the most horrible job you could imagine. Just as you're going to see, I end up soaking, covered in rubber. So let's go and get cracking on. So now we are down on track with the sweeper, and what I'm going to do now is empty out all the horrible rubber and just show you how much there is, and then we have to go to actually clean it, which is quite nasty. So I've got my assistant here, my lovely assistant Stuart.
Hi.
Who's going to help me here film as I empty, because it's more than a one-man job. I'll give you that now, Stuart.
Stuart is the official title. Ejecto shito!
Yeah. Make sure you're standing upwind.
That's a delam.
And then you get the poking stick and you have to just wee wiggle about. Oh, it's quite nasty. Quite damp today. Lovely. And now she's ready to go up and get all pressure washed out. That's us back up at the unit now. I thought what I would do is show you inside the sweeper what all happens in there, how nasty it is and how we deal with it. So just now we have the sweeper tipped up like this, the lid open, and as you can see it's quite nasty here. These guys all need to be cut out by hand. It sucks, takes at least like 5-10 minutes. And then the piece de resistance in here, look at that. All of these filters, they all need to be cleaned out properly, making sure everything is lovely. Don't know if you can see in here, oh, a wee bit of an avalanche there. All the lovely mud up here and rubber, all this needs sucked out, cleaned out. It really is Driftland's most glamorous job. Lovely sweeper jacket on. You know it's bad when you need a separate jacket just for one job. And I'm going to crack on now. I've done a little time lapse so you can see how mock it I get. And I'll come back to you in about 20 minutes.
Oh yeah, I'm finna pop, yeah baby, hit the spot like summer and some dip.
That is the sweeper all clean. My face is mock it. I'm absolutely drenched. As you can see, I'm quite minging. However, the sweeper is lovely. Well, I don't know if you can see with the light, all these lovely filters all nice and clean again. No more dreadlock delam that was hanging down here or there. That's all nice. This job sucks, but it is really rewarding because you actually see like a massive improvement, and it's needed to keep the sweeper running. It doesn't work properly if you don't do it every single week. So now I'm back down at the track and I have to deal with this massive pile of rubber here. We pull all this back out, fill in the edge of the track. Most weekends we run layouts that involve running this section of the track, and as you know, drifters don't like staying on track. They always seem to run right on the very edge and sometimes a foot or two past it. And it's my glorious job to pull all this back in every single week and make sure it's mint again for the guys. We tend to use all the scrap rubber just because it's nice and soft, it slows cars down, it doesn't rip bodywork off, it doesn't break them. It's perfect pretty much. And as long as you take your cars off of lock, you tend to be able to drive back out of it. So you can see here as well with this section, people running this as a straight almost, and just digging this out, ripping all this up. So I'll make a little time lapse, it's normally about an hour or so, and you can pull all this section back in, make it mint.
Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah. Oh.
Back again, that's me now finished the raking, got a wee bit of sweat on, and I'll just give you a quick walk around and show you what I got up to. So you can see here now, it's all been pulled out, the track edge is pretty much as good as she gets again. You can give it a week, it'll all be pulled back out again. It's probably about, I don't know, an hour's worth of work here, and even this section is flat. Nice, it'll catch people who come into the S's way too fast. I'm talking about you, I'm Jeek. You normally have a little spin in there, and that's me done. Now it's time for the gravel trap. Driftland's famous gravel trap, and really it's just a case of pulling all this back and getting rid of all the tyre marks where people have went in way too hot. So quick walk around, show you all the damage, and then I'll go back to raking. I mean, you can see here it's not too bad, a couple little bit of tyre marks where people have come in too hot, same again there, a little bit more here. I mean, this is really not so bad at all, I've had it way worse than that. During things like BDC and things, they run a really wide line here and they tend to just dig all the edge of the gravel out, showering spectators up there who seem to love it. So we'll crack on.
It's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well.
That's me done with the gravel trap now. She's all looking mint, all nice and smooth. She won't be by Sunday again. Now up to the unit, and let's go and see what else is to be done. Now I'm up at the unit and it's time to do all of our experience wheels. We teach people to drift in our experiences and we go through quite a lot of wheels. We run an experience nearly once every week or fortnight. So there's always lots and lots of wheels and tyres to do. As you can see here, we have lots and lots of 15s and 16s, and then all new fresh rubber all to get put on. I actually like changing tyres because you're inside the unit. There's no wind, there's no rain, you can't have the tunes pumping. It's actually quite a good job.
Teasing girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' swear that God she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all on. God, I'm so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like Jabbar, club pack, wall to wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall.
Right, when you get into drifting and you start raking through tyre piles looking for tyres to run your car, and you come across ones like this, absolute minters, just leave them, lads, because they're always ruined and you'll never fix them and it's an absolute waste of time fitting them. Absolutely delighted. You can see here 205 4017s, real handy for the front in our cars. Absolute junk, unrepairable punctures, junk. So this is a wheel that we were doing the Wish wheel stud test on until it failed, and as you can see here, it's actually eating the wheel really quite badly. So I think that's now scrap, lads. That's me done, all the wheels and tyres ready for another experience. All these lovely 16s ready to get burnt off. Then little 15s for all our taxi cars at the end, lovely tread. And now it's time for all the scrap tyres, all these guys. Right there, loads of them. To go down to the office in our big scrap pile so they can go away. That's all the tyres moved down to the scrap pile now. We probably use around about 200 tyres a month, I would say. It feels like that anyway. I know that we get rid of 200 tyres to the scrap man every month or so. We've just literally had a collection last week of scrap tyres, and already you can see just how much scrap tyres we've been through, or how much is left from last time. There is quite a bit. And I mean, that is just really from us doing experiences, doing our taxis, and all our dumb stuff that we do for YouTube that you folks seems to love. So if you comment, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy seeing what I do, if you want to see more jobs, more disgusting jobs that I have to do, little comment, that'd be mint. Please like, share, subscribe. As always, that'd be amazing. We're getting lots of new subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks. Bye bye, folks. Hi. 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 Hey. Hi. 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 Oh, I'm a fucking retard.